Sometimes there are negative reactions to comments that I have towards a particular comment or question or query of twin flame relationships. And this is one of those occasions. And when I have negative reaction, I usually don't post the question. I don't let you know who this question was from, etc. So yeah, here goes the question. When a post was made about growth of twin flame by some creator, there came a question of can it not be just a normal human being's experience? Can it not be just a spiritual person's experience or spiritual person's healing? Does it have to be, or does it have to be twin flames healing? So is it applicable for twin flame or normal human being? And the creator, being wise, answered, why not both? And the reaction to that was the word sure. And maybe she wrote the word sure as in, like, okay, sure, I understand that. But I have a feeling that she was not saying it that way. She was like, sure. So it's not special to twin flame connections at all. Maybe she was just confirming her theory that this is applicable for every human being. But I have a problem with such comments where I have a feeling, where I have a belief that people have somehow kept in the pedestal this connection or this relationship. They somehow lose track of reality. They somehow make their twin flame the whole universe. They somehow make this thing or want this thing to be something special, something different. Newsflash, there is nothing different about twin flame connections. I'm sorry. The runners and chasers energy could also be also be interpreted as anxious attachment style and avoidant attachment style. So that's one of the similarities I have seen on psychological self-help book versus twin flame connection. And the only thing that is true in spirituality is that twin flames are the people who have potential to come together. The only thing that they can do in order to come together is raise their vibes high. Simple as that. Fun fact, when you are scrolling through Instagram or YouTube or anywhere, researching a lot more about twin flame facts and learnings and doing a lot of self-work, sometimes that keeps you in the lower vibration. Regardless, this is just a regular connection. You are still a human being. This is still a human connection. I hope this makes sense. Namaste. Goodbye.